This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for April 20th, 2018. Corn market today down 5.5, beans down 7 to 8.5, Chicago wheat down 12 to 13.5, Minneapolis wheat down 12 to 13 3/4, Kansas City down 12.5 to 13. On the week, corn market down 9 3/4, beans down 25.5, Chicago wheat down 9 1/4, Minneapolis wheat down 17, Kansas City down 13. Not a great week. Better looking weather forecast, rain potential for winter wheat into this weekend and the next couple weeks. Really caught the market off edge, fade down, and now we find ourselves very quickly down to supports, which we look for corn down around this $3.79 July, as we look to beans down around this $9.95 to $10 area. So a little more risk in the bean market. The wheat market's taking quite a bit of premium off, and we'll have to see where the rains go and where they fire up here to really kind of have a gauge for next week and really kind of pin down. But 485 Kansas City, a pretty good support, $6 off the Minneapolis for right now until we evaluate those. Realistically, we do anticipate maybe a bit more weakness into next week as weather looks to take shape here a little bit. We're still a few weeks going to be behind planting here, no question about that, but that extended forecast is going to be extremely important here as we work ahead. We do look for that summer bounce here again, so no needing to panic or chase here too hard. We do see better opportunities ahead, but that's a matter of opinion versus fact. Feeder cattle market up 50 to 90, live cattle up 50 to 155, hog market down 20 to 67.5. On the week, we had the feeder cattle market down 207.5, live cattle up 280, and the hog market up 16 1/4 cents roughly. But keep in mind, that's with the April to May expiration. Really on the week, we were about steady here when you look at the May, June, and July contracts. For the cattle market, you're looking at 121 live, 196 dress for the week to this point. Exports have been okay, and good luck outlook into summer. You're looking at the ability of grilling season picking up here with the better weather, and that's always encouraging to see. And smaller numbers as we work towards fall, so a little more of a mixed approach to the cattle, and even some strength as we work into the summer months, we expect. Looking for a bottoming action here in the near term. Hog market, on the other hand, with slaughter numbers coming down right now, that's a bit encouraging for the near term, but make no mistake, this hog market's got some problems as we see it ahead. This low to mid 80 level we think is pretty stiff resistance for summer. We can seasonally rally into this area as we've seen in the near term, but extremely important that you're doing some marketing along the way. With China at 8-year lows, we just got to stay disciplined in marketing. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.